You are my compass, my north, my trusted partner in life. In your arms, I have found a haven of trust and authenticity. Let our love be the unbreakable bond that holds us together forever. With your love, my heart has learned the true definition of trust. In your arms, I find solace and trust that fills my heart with pure happiness. My love for you is unwavering, a testament to the trust we share. Your trust in me like is like an anchor keeping me in grounded in our love. To trust you is to know that my heart is good hands. Deep down in my heart, I trust you completely and forever. Our love is built on the foundation of trust, making it unbreakable. Trust is the glue that binds our love together, making it stronger every day. In your eyes, I see trust and love that can endure any storm. Our love is a treasure guarded by the trust we have in each other. With you, trust comes naturally, paving the way for a lifetime of love and happiness. Like two puzzle pieces, our love and trust fit perfectly together. Trust me, my love for you will always remain constant, unwavering, My heart finds solace in your trust, knowing that our love will conquer all with trust as our foundation. Our love has the power to move mountains, unyielding as the ocean. My love mirrors its depth, my unwavering love for you, enduring as the eternal stars. Let these love chords speak of my eternal love for you. May these love chords convey the depth of my affection for you. My love for you knows no bounds as these chords eloquently express through these love chords. I want you to know that you hold my heart forever. May these love chords remind you of the unwavering love I have for you. These love chords encapsulate the essence of my love for you. May these love chords bring tears to your eyes, knowing how deeply I cherish you.